This is Nicholas. Nicholas and bike. What happened with your bike?
Nothing.
So you use this bike every day in Pattaya?
Yeah.
Where you go now?
I don't go to find girls.
Find girls?
Looking for girls.
Looking for girls?
Yeah.
If you find girls, girls will sit here.
Yes.
It's not easy maybe. Not easy, but cheaper.
I'm not looking for ladies.
Okay. Look like postman. Now we're in Sky Beach condominium.